Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the SOLS token. SOLS is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. This is brought to you by BRC-20 DAO, which is the name of their Twitter. If you're looking for it, I'm going to put it in the corner of the screen there at BRC-20_DAO. This token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today, December 8th, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So SOLS is based on the indexing system of Solana inscriptions and also provides BRC-20 tokens with cross-chain access to the Solana network. Now this token just got a brand new central exchange listing today, December 8th at 12 o'clock UTC time, on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code, referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. So all you have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search SOLS, and then simply just buy the token. So yes, this is providing BRC-20 tokens with cross-chain access to the Solana network. And again, if you're looking for their Twitter, in the corner of the screen at BRC-20_DAO. This token is on the Solana blockchain, obviously. I mean, how could you tell with that title? Right now, almost 2,000 holders. They are at, according to their SolScan, which you can look up at solscan.io, they have 1,993 holders right now. There's 5 decimal places on this token. And there is a current supply of 997,400 tokens. So a little bit under 21 million tokens. I believe that's what they started with. Seems to be a deflationary token. Yeah, because according to Mexc Global, it says total supply 21 million, and they're a little bit under that, so it seems like a deflationary token in that regard. Now, if you want to follow their Telegram, they have a Telegram at BRCDAO_EN, because this actually is I think it's a Chinese project here from a Chinese group, because they do have a Chinese Telegram as well. So yeah, this is the English one, BRCDAO_EN. And maybe there's another token involved here, because it actually says on their Telegram, ticker symbol MAJO, and then ticker symbol SOLS. So it looks like 2 ticker symbols there. So if you look up MAJO, that token is probably brought to you by the exact same team that made this token. So it says providing BRC-20 tokens with cross-chain access to the Solana network, and then it says the Chinese group. If you want to find the Chinese Telegram group, it is just at BRC DAO on Telegram. So just go to _EN for the English one. The English group has 1,887 members, so they're doing very well. 244 of them are online. And yeah, then their webpage, sols.cc. You can see that is linked on their Twitter right there. So it says Sols, the first inscription index on Solana. There it is. Okay, so then it says Majo is the first DAO token on BRC-20. So there you go. So they have the Sols token is for Solana, and the Majo token is their BRC-20 token, right? So they have the dual token economy here, and so they have a picture of what that token looks like. It's got this dude's face on it with a killer mustache there. Whoever Majo is, I'm going to look him up after this video. They have their partners on here, so it looks like they have a different central exchange as well, Gate.io. So they're listed on Gate, it looks like, or maybe they have an upcoming listing. The OpenDAO, Element, OKX Wallet, BONK, which is a famous meme coin, BONK, and Alex. I believe I've done a video on the Alex Labs, I believe it's called. So right on their webpage, they have a bridge where you can connect your wallet, but it says coming soon, so it's not available yet. But you can connect your wallet, and you can trade your Sols token for the Majo token, and vice versa, back and forth. So it's a cross-chain bridge from BRC-20 to Solana, and I would bet that they're going to introduce more Solana tokens and more BRC-20 tokens as well. So you could go back and forth between both networks. So that's pretty cool. So that seems to be like their one and only main utility as of now, which isn't even out yet, but it will be coming soon. So it says, connect. The Sols community is one of the things that makes this project truly special. Follow us on our social platforms to stay informed about all things Sols. And so then they just have their Telegram and their Twitter. Now their Twitter, 202 posts, so they're very active on there. You can see they have 14,000 Twitter followers. They are followed by Gate Startup. And yeah, it says the resurrection of Bitcoin with Ordinals, BRC-20, and Majo and Sols. And so they're talking about all their new partnerships. So they did, like, their pinned tweet is talking about BRC-20 DAO is now partners with OKX Wallet. And then they talk about their new Mexc global listing, lots of partnerships. And it looks like they probably have a Chinese Twitter as well somewhere too that you could follow. So yeah, lots of updates on their socials. So check it all out. It says their tokenomics, by the way, how they're allocated. It says 50% of the tokens are allocated to Majo cross-chain pool, 40% airdrop to DGOD NFTs and Bonk Inu holders, and then 5% for boosting social media marketing. The inscription era belongs to Sols. So it looks like most of the info is on their socials. So check that out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc global one where this Sols token just got listed today. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.